The wireless weather station is an essential tool for monitoring indoor and outdoor conditions with precision. Featuring a high-quality color display, it provides real-time updates on temperature, humidity, and weather forecasts. The vibrant digital screen ensures clear visibility, making it easy to read at a glance. With its advanced outdoor sensor, this weather station offers accurate temperature measurements for both indoor and outdoor environments. The included IPX4 sensor transmitter is designed to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance throughout the seasons. Whether placed in the garden, patio, or lawn, it seamlessly blends into outdoor spaces while providing valuable climate insights. This device is battery-powered, making it convenient and easy to install anywhere without the need for electrical wiring. The backlight function allows for clear readings even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for nighttime use. Additionally, the integrated digital clock enhances its practicality, serving as both a weather station and a timekeeper. Perfect for home use, gardening, and outdoor enthusiasts, this weather station is a great addition to any space. Its plastic housing is durable and lightweight, ensuring long-lasting functionality. Whether you're planning your day or tracking weather trends, this device provides all the essential information you need at a glance.